Good morning. Yes, good morning, Sarah. Good morning, Tilakar. Those who have joined now, I repeat again. Draw 3 smileys, color it with yellow color. After coloring it, you have to give it to your parents. They will cut and give those smileys to you. Okay? So color it neatly, beautifully, because you are going to stick those smileys. Okay? Using a bangle, draw 3 circles and draw a smiley face. Color it neatly. Highlight it with a black marker or sketch pen, all those eyes part and mouth part. And then you deep cut all those circles. Keep it separately for the activity. Yes, finish. Anyone? Srinija, finish. Very good, Srinija. Wonderful, Srinija. The smiley is beautiful. Parents, please be ready with 3 safety pins or sellotape for sticking it in the dress. Okay? 3 safety pin or sellotape. Sellotape you can roll it and then you can stick it in the dress. Or else safety pin will do. 3 safety pin or sellotape. Why do you unnecessarily unmute yourself, Madhvanti? Yes, finish. Let me know who all have finished your smileys. Yes, Srinija finished. Then Kevin finished. Then Kadambari finished your smileys. Huh? Adarsh finished. Very good. Shravanya, did you finish coloring your smileys? Do it fast. Make it fast. Yes, color it and give it to your parents' children. Just color it fast. Very good. Riyasri finished. Good. If you have finished coloring also, we'll start the session. Your parents will take care of that work. Very good. Very good, Ma Kadambari. Adya also finished. Very good. Nimalan finished coloring. Yes, good, Ma Nakshatra.
Oh, ma'am, coloring third one, ma'am.
Fast, fast. Do it fast. Why Kevin is crying again?
इसके lips कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
He needs ketchup.
Sketch. For what?
Yes, I was using to give outline. He's asking sketch.
Sarah finished coloring? Sarah.
No, ma'am. She's doing, ma'am.
Very nice, Adya Sharma. Very good, Matilakar. Ask your mama to cut and give it to you. Okay, fine, children. Let's start our session. Come on, stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Time up.
Okay. Say a color.
Join your hands and close your eyes. Kadambari Kidzi Anthem.
You are infinite. You are infinite. You are me. My protection is sun. You me. My protection.
You are the wings.
You are the wings. In his Wi-Fi, you refer me. My protection is sight.
Today I
Today
play.
is all my might. I stand at you. My protection is sight.
Yes, very good. Good morning, everyone. Yes, very good morning. Yes, good morning to everyone. Keep standing for the warm-up activity.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo! Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile! Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Go. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop.
Very good. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Adya. Very good. So loud today. You're in good mood, huh? Adya Sharma. Okay, next. Ilango. Very good. Next, Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Ravina. Absent. Srinija. Srinija. Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari. 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 Yes, very good, Kadambari. Shravanya. Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita. Mokshita. Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Thank you so much, children. Children, you know we are going to celebrate one thing today. You know what we are going to celebrate? Anyone knows? Nobody knows. I know that. Today is our 100th session. Yes, right from session 1. We are going to complete our 100th session. Yes, I want all of you to give a big round of applause. Yes, and say hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Very good, and thank you so much, my lovable children. You are so sweet. Yeah, thank you, Nimalan. You are so sweet, children. You all have been cooperating with ma'am a lot. Whatever I teach you, you are all grasping it very well. You are cooperating very well. You are writing very well. You are reading very well. So I am very happy with you, and I love you all, children. Okay, and then next I want to thank all of your parents. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, I love you too, children. Okay. Next, I would like to thank all your parents because in this busy schedule, many parents are working from home, even though they are sitting with you to attend the classes and all. So, I would like to thank all the parents for trusting us, supporting us, and for letting your child in kids. Okay. So, thank you so much, parents. Keep supporting us the whole year. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah, thank you, parents. I must say thank you. That does not belong to you. I'm very thankful to you. Thank you so much, parents.
Even you are too patient, ma'am, to deal with these many kids at a time. Thank
Apart
you.
from my patients, really half of my work are done by parents. Really, I admire you, parents. Even I myself would not have done that much to my child, but I really admire all of your parents. So
Thank you.
thank you so much. Such a lovable parents I have in my session. So thank you. So coming on to our session, 100 session. I want a big round of applause. Clap your hands. 100th session. Okay. And next, 100 days of school. Though you are not in school, you are in session. So this is also considered as school only. Okay. And now we are going to cut cake. Come on, all of you. Clap hands and open your mouth for the cake. All of you have a piece of cake. Open your mouth. Widely open your mouth. Your favorite strawberry is here. Yes, all of you have a piece of cake. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Ma'am ஏமாத்துறாங்களா கேக் காமிச்சு ஓகே ஓகே
Ma'am,
ஃபைன்
this will
எஸ்
lead us. This is leading us to, buy a cake for them now.
Yeah, definitely buy a cake for them. And thank you so much, parents and my dear children, for your trust and support. Keep supporting us. Keep cooperating with me. And thank you, thank you, thank you. And next, we are going to move on to our activity. So, children, you all have your three smileys, right? You all have three smileys. Yes, now call all your parents, whoever is near you, your mom or dad, whoever is near you, call them. And each one of you are going to say one point for those three smileys regarding your child, what you adore with your child. Okay, so 3 points you are going to say, and you are going to pin those three smileys to your child. After pinning those three smileys, you are going to take a snap and send it in group. Yes, so this is the activity that we are going to do today. So first we'll start with Adya Sharma. Adya is going to get smiley today. Three smileys, not one smiley, two smiley, three smileys.
Yes,
Come on, Adya's mom. Only positive.
Smiley.
Only positive comments I want to hear from parents. Yeah. Yes, Adya's mom.
Smiley.
Yes, what exactly I have to do? I didn't
You
get
have
it.
Smiley.
you have to say any 3 points that you adore with your child. You like that very much with your child. You have to give one smiley for each reason.
Okay, to Adya.
Yeah, to Adya.
Okay.
No, I got the three.
I think
First-
she's very creative.
I got it.
She will compare things herself. Like
Okay.
if you are giving example, she will compare things herself.
Wow. Very creative.
The
So
way
first smiley for creativeness. Okay. Next, the second smiley goes for
I got it faces, funny faces.
okay, funny faces, huh?
and second, I think I will give her for her English. I think I have never taught her.
Funny faces.
The way she speaks herself.
Wow.
This is good.
Good. Vocabulary, very good. Next, third smiley.
I think if she is in a good mood to learn, she will quickly grasp.
She is in a good mood. Is this a compliment or a complaint you are giving her? Okay, now, yeah, fine. Yeah. I will say yes. Okay, I accept with you. And now I want you to give all those three smileys straight like this, and then take a snap and send it in group. Thank you so much, Adya's mom. Thank you, Adya. Okay, next I would like to call Sarah. Yes, Sarah's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, first of all, I'm searching for some safety pins in my capsule here. I'm sorry for that. Okay, the
If you
three.
have a sellotape also, you can stick it.
Okay, ma'am. The three things I like most about Sarah is her independence, ma'am.
Wow.
Actually, she is clingy, but she can settle anywhere. She can mingle with anybody. She can be friends with anywhere. She can stay anywhere. So I love that quality. Even I was not like this when I'm a child.
Yes, yes. Very
And
good. That's really a good quality.
yeah,
Okay.
and
Second
I love
smiley.
the smiley. Sarah pinning with Sarah. Safety pinning with. Pinning. Ma'am, she kept pin
Yes.
somewhere, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. You tell me the reason. Afterwards also you can pin it. No issues.
Okay, ma'am. And other quality I love in her is her language skills, ma'am. She's very good at vocabulary. Actually, she is a
Okay.
very late talker. She started speaking only by the age of 2.5 years. But
Wow, I can't accept this.
nobody can
Really,
believe
she
that.
speaks very well.
Yes, ma'am.
Very,
Yes. So
yeah, good.
I even
Second.
I got sometimes I blew away by her language skills. And the third
Very
thing
good.
I like her is she's my baby. That's all. I like her the way she is. That's it.
Yeah, so sweet of you.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
very good. Thank you so much, Sarah's mom. So sweet comments you have given regarding your child. Thank you so much and keep doing this, Sarah. Okay, keep being a good girl like this. Okay, and next I would like to call Shravanya's mom. Shravanya.
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am. So the good thing about Shravanya is she cares for everyone and she has that helping nature. She cares for her sister, grandparents, and if they need any help, she does that. Um, then
First
she
smiley
does,
goes for caring. Okay,
yeah.
second smiley.
The next thing is she knows that she's always conscious what she needs to do.
Okay.
Basically, if she needs to attend her online classes or do her homework and all, right, she keeps up that work. uh,
Very good.
so
Very good.
that's
Very good.
one
Very
thing.
responsible child. Okay. Third one.
Mm, third one, she is always very quiet when I take her to some place. If I ask her to sit somewhere, she'll be very she won't she'll be very patient. When she goes out, she know how to behave and uh, you know
She will not wander here and there and make
no, no.
problems for others.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Good girl, Shavanya. Such a good girl you are. Like your sister itself. Very good. Thank you so much, Shavanya. Mom, pin all those smileys, take a snap and send it in group. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to call Srinija's mom.
Yes, ma'am. For Srinija, first thing I would like to say, she started brushing on her own first thing. That is a good thing. Long time I'm making her to habituate for that habit. So
Okay.
she learned that. And the
Good. Mm.
second thing is like she's very helpful even to the grandparents, or for me in doing my household works also. She'll try to extend her hand to support me.
Yeah, yeah. Good. Fine.
And
Third one.
she's so friendly and she's so caring with her sister as well.
Yes, well, very
Very
good.
helpful.
Caring
And
and lovable child. I know that about Srinija. She's such a cute child. I'm seeing her right from PG. So I know about her very well. So thank you so much, Srinija's mom. Very
thank you,
good,
ma'am.
Srinija. Keep going on like this, okay? I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much. And next, I would like to call Ilango's mom.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
So first
Fine.
morning, happy
Yeah, yeah.
Sri.
Give him the smiley. No problem. Give it to him. Take it, take it.
So Ilangu is such an enthusiastic child. I've witnessed so many times that he's having the power of spreading the happiness and love to others. So I'm
Wow.
feeling in this
So
happy
sweet,
Sri.
so sweet. Happy
And
child. Okay,
this one.
second one.
Second one is
Naughty smiley.
naughty smiley. Yes, as he says.
Naughty smiley.
Yes, as he said, he's a naughty boy, and so many
Naughty
times
boy.
When I give biscuits to him and his sister, he's like eating his things fast and snacking from her sister
Is
and
this
looking
a
away whenever
compliment?
he does.
Huh?
Yeah,
Is this a compliment?
of course it makes fun, ma'am. Yes, yes. I'm teaching him
Yeah,
particularly
fine.
what not to do, and
Yeah,
sometimes
good
it feels
time pass for you
like
at home, right?
of course. So I'm
Yeah,
giving
fine.
this naughty
Okay,
smiley.
fine.
Another one
Third
is
smiley.
love smiley.
Okay.
He cares a lot. Whenever we are busy with words and being serious or
Okay.
something upset, he can sense that easily and come to me. Amma, why are you sad? Don't be sad. Like he
Oh.
cares so much, and I feel like giving this.
So sweet,
House.
so sweet. Very good. Such an adorable child. Very good, Ilango. So sweet of you. Thank you, Ilango's mom. Give the smiley to him. Okay. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to call. Whom shall I call? Nimalan's mom. Nimalan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good
What
morning.
I observed is he is grasping power, ma'am. From starting till now, he grasps things very easily, ma'am.
Okay,
And
fine. Very good.
he learned things very quickly, ma'am. Because initially he didn't know many things, and I was struggling a lot. I didn't imagine that he will come to this level so soon.
Oh, wow. Super. Very good. Okay. Second smiley
And
goes for.
let's go.
Hmm.
And the next one is he will mingle with even strangers very soon, ma'am. When we go to
Okay.
park and all, he'll catch friends easily. And if any new person coming to
Very
home means,
friendly.
if we ask him to share food snacks means, he himself will separate this for
Share
this
it.
person, this for
Okay.
this
Very
person.
good.
He will
Very
share.
friendly. Very friendly. Very good. Okay. Third smiley.
And next one is when I say that I am busy, don't disturb me means he will sit quietly and he'll play. He'll not disturb me. But after
Wow.
that,
Super.
that place will be messy. But for the time being, he
Time
will
being,
he
he'll be
will not
very quiet.
come and disturb me.
Yeah.
But
Very
after
good.
that, I
So
have to
sweet.
clean that room for an hour or two. That is different.
That I don't want to hear. Okay, fine. Such a sweet boy, Nimalan. I know him right from the beginning.
Yes,
Regarding
ma'am.
his issues, also, he have not been to any other school before. But now he's
Yes,
studying
ma'am.
very well. I am really proud of Nimalan. Thank you so much, Nimalan's mom. Give the
It
three
happened
smileys
only
to
because
him.
of you, ma'am. Because of
Oh,
your
thank you so
strength
much.
and all
Thank you
your
so
support
much,
only, ma'am.
Nimalan's mom. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Next, I would like to, yeah, welcome. Next, I would like to call Nakshatra's dad. Nakshatra. See her mouth, how big smile. Huh? Okay, come on.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So the
First
first
smiley goes
smiley,
for.
so I'm giving this smiley to her because she likes to draw whichever she is seeing. Suppose
Okay,
if I
very
if
creative
I'm
in drawing.
very creative, yeah, I can see her
Yeah,
in
good.
starting from the glance itself. So I like to
Okay,
give
fine.
it to her for.
First smiley for that. Very good. Next, second
So
one.
second
Hmm.
smiley is for she likes to always speak with people. She won't be sit
Hmm.
alone. She won't be sitting alone. Always she will be speaking
Interactive.
something. Yeah, very
Very
interactive.
good. Hmm.
She won't
Very
sit idle.
interactive. Yeah, very
Okay.
good. That's very important with the child, really. Good. Third smiley.
Third smiley, she will be very friendly with other people also, other child also. She would
Ah,
love to share her things to them, even
ah.
to her cousin sister and cousin brother also.
Wow,
So
that's a good quality. Really, Nakshatra, super. Very good. Thank you so much, Nakshatra's dad, for your compliment. Nakshatra, keep going on like this. Be such a good girl always. Okay. Thank you so much, Nakshatra's dad. Give her the smiley, spin it in her dress. Okay. Next, I would like to call Mokshita's mom. Mokshita's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Three reasons for Mokshita. First reason for giving the smiley.
Ma'am, she's obey my words, ma'am. If I
She will
stop,
obey your words.
yeah. If I say anything means
Obeying.
okay, she say okay.
Very
And
good.
she
First
obey my
smiley
words.
for obeying. Very good. Second one.
She is very creative, ma'am. She likes painting. If I
Okay.
give any drawing means she will paint very well.
Okay. Very good. Helpful. Good.
That I
Okay.
like it.
Third one.
Third one.
ஐயோ யோசிக்கிறீங்களா அச்சச்சோ
No, no, ma'am. I have lots of
Okay.
things. Uh,
Okay.
she speaks with all of them, ma'am.
Okay.
Speaks with all of them.
Very
Uh,
good. She
she's
interacts with everyone.
very fine and fun and jolly with all of them. That
Very
is
good.
all situations
Well
like
done. Yeah,
all.
thank you. Very good, Mokshita. Such a good compliment your mama has given for you. Thank you so much, Mokshita's mom. Give her all those 3 smileys. Pin it in her dress. Okay. Next,
Okay,
I would
ma'am.
like to call Kevin's mom. Kevin.
Yes, ma'am. First smiley is heart smiley. He is really very lovable. Like within few minutes, he will get along with smile.
Get along with everyone. Very good.
And he just gives a kiss and give a hug when he is leaving. So he's really
Wow,
lovable.
so sweet. Okay. Very lovable. Very nice. I saw it. I saw it. Very nice. Very cute. Okay, now the
And
second smiley goes for
second one is not, but he's not that
not
much
innocent.
like we both are working from home, but he will be really very cooperative, ma'am. Like
Very nice.
he will help us like anything. So he'll be
Okay,
just
fine.
on his own also.
Okay, fine. Now the
And
third smiley.
third smiley is like he is improving a lot. That is what I want to say to him. Like I really didn't expect that like he would be up to this mark really when we started the sessions, but now he is really improving. I could see his improvement.
Okay, thank you. Well done, Kevin. Kevin nowadays is answering me that itself a very big happiness for me. See, now also he's saying thank you, ma'am. First channel, his dad used to sit next to him. Sollu,
Yes.
sollu, sollu. Now he is reacting on his own. Very good, Kevin. Good boy. Thank you so much, Kevin's
Ma'am,
mom.
for that.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kevin's mom. It's all because of you. Okay, so thank you so much. Next, I would like to call Kadambari's mom. Kadambari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, where is your mama?
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, hi.
She's a quick learner, ma'am.
Quick learner, okay. First smiley for quick learner. I know it very well. Quick learner.
And she's very caring person also.
Caring.
Very caring.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very caring. Good. Okay.
And
then third smiley.
actually, she is a good singer also.
Singer. Yeah. She has sung. I have heard. Very nice. Super. Now, how about her running habits? Last year when I was in junior KG, when I was taking class, I used to call Kadambari. She used to run around the kitchen and all.
Yeah.
Her father used to chase her. Kadambari Nillama around the kitchen. Yes, we had a tour of your kitchen also on that time. So very good, Kadambari. You have improved a lot. Such a quiet child you have become nowadays. And you are learning also very well. So I am very proud of you, baby. Good. Very good. Thank you so much, Kadambari's mom. Next, I would like to, welcome. Next, I would like to call Adarsh mom. Adarsh. Where is Adarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adarsh, come on. Children, I have prepared for a video also. Be there in line, okay? Don't leave the line. Okay, now Adarsh, mom, come on.
Ma'am, he's very creative and he's very adaptive, ma'am.
Very good. Creative and adaptive. First smiley. Okay. Second smiley.
Second smiley is very get attached to the people very easily, ma'am.
Very good. He will not cry or he will not make any issues regarding that. Very good. Super. Very good. Third smiley.
Next is, ma'am, I think that I will very slow and I will not study properly, but that time he will make me, whenever I get down that he is not studying, he will make some funny things to make me happy.
You should first stop telling him that you are not studying, you are not studying. Okay? Please don't say that. He has all the ability, but one thing, he's very playful. That's it. It is not that he's not at all studying. He's little bit playful. That's it. Okay? So thank you so much, Adarsh. Mom, give all those 3 smileys for Adarsh. Okay? Thank you. Okay, next. Yeah, welcome. Tilakar. Tilakar. Tilakar is not there. Okay. Next is Riyasri. Riyasri's mom. Riyasri. Come on. Where is your mama? Riyasri, அம்மா எங்க?
அவங்க அம்மா வீட்டுல பாப்பா இருக்கு.
Okay. Okay, fine, Riyasri. Mute yourself. When your mama comes, you call me, okay? Next is Nitish.
மேம் மேம் தமிழ்ல கூட சொல்லாங்களா மேம்?
சொல்லாமே.
ஓகே மேம். மேம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்மைலி வந்து நித்தி வந்து அவங்க தங்கச்சி மேல ரொம்ப கேரிங்கா இருப்பான் மேம்.
ஓகே, வெரி குட். கேரிங், சூப்பர்.
செகண்ட் ஸ்மைலி வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் இதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்றது. ஸ்பீச் கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு தான் பேச ஆரம்பிச்சான். ஆனா வந்து இப்போ வந்து பிக்கப் ஆக மாட்டானோன்னு நினைச்சேன். ஆனா இப்போ லேர்னிங் குவிக்லி மேம்.
வெரி குட், வெரி குட். தேர்ட் ஒன்?
தேர்ட் ஸ்மைலி வந்து அவன் நம்ம என்னதான் அடிச்சாலும் என்னதான் திட்டினாலுமே உடனே வந்து சாரி கேட்டுட்டு இனிமே அந்த மிஸ்டேக் பண்ண மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னு அந்த ஒரு
சூப்பர். குட்மா நிதிஷ். ஹை பை. நமக்கு ஹை பை கொடுங்க. குட் பாய். That is really a very good quality. Very good. Thank you so much, Nitish mom, for that. Give the 3 smileys to Nitish. Okay, next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, யார் இருக்காங்க மதுவந்தி கூட? மதுவந்தி. ஓகே, ஃபைன். பாட்டி இருக்காங்களா? சரி, ஸ்மைலி வாங்கிக்கோங்க மதுவந்தி from your grandmother. Okay, ஸ்மைலி வாங்கி பின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Tilakar's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, any 3 reason for Tilakar?
First smiley is very intelligent and smart, ma'am.
Okay, first smiley. Second one?
Second one, helpful person, ma'am.
Wow, helpful. Okay, third one?
Third one, easily connect and mingle other people, ma'am. So,
interact with everyone easily.
Yes.
Very good, Tilakar. I know all these things about Tilakar. Really. Such a cute boy. Ma'am, some children will cry, but Tilakar, ஏதாவது ஒன்று சொல்லலாம் கூட மேம் என்ன கேளுங்க. That innocence, I like it very much with Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Be like this all the time. Okay? So thank you, Tilakar's mom. Okay, children. Now thank you so much, parents, for the compliment that you have given to your child. Now I'm going to present you a video, children. All of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. I'm going to present a video for you. Come on, let's see. Ready? Yes, did you all like the video, children? Did you all like the video? Yes or no? Right, summer, Green Day celebration?
I like it.
Yes? Yes, you like it? Come on. Yes. Give me a big round of applause now. Very good. High five to everyone. High five to everyone. Yes, very good, children. Parents, please don't forget to take a snap and send it in the group. Okay, we'll be uploading it in Facebook, so please send all those snaps together. Okay, thank you, children. Keep supporting Vanilla Ma'am the same way. Balance months also, balance culmination also. So thank you so much. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children, for cooperating. Bye, everyone. I love you all, children. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, children. Yes, bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye, ma.
Bye, ma'am.